how to enable dark mode for your YouTube on your PC or laptop. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how you can enable dark mode for YouTube on your PC. So without further ado, let's get started. So first thing first, open your preferred browser and go to the youtube.com. And here you can see the YouTube on a white screen. Now, to enable the dark mode on the YouTube, you simply have to open the new tab. And from here, you simply have to search for the web store. And from the search result, you can see the second option. Simply tap on that. And once you are here, we need to install a free extension to enable dark mode on YouTube. So to do this, simply click on the search bar and search dark mode YouTube and simply search for that, and you will see a list of extensions that allows you to enable dark mode for YouTube. I recommend selecting the first extension as it's reliable and easy to use. Now to install the extension, click on the extension you prefer from the search list and simply click add to Chrome and confirm by selecting add extensions. And after that, wait for some times for the installation to complete. And once the installation is complete, the extension will be ready to use. Now head back to your YouTube in the browser and simply refresh the page, and dark mode will automatically be applied. And that's it. You are all set to enjoy YouTube in dark mode. And with this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.